Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Manley with copycat.com. Today we're making Wendys Chili in your Instant Pot. So grab that Instant Pot, hit the saute button, and in goes 2 pounds of ground beef. Now we're going to cook this ground beef to where it is done. Now drain it if desired. Before we get started, be sure that you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to know when new videos are released. What makes this chili so special? Tomato juice. In goes 1 quart of tomato juice. Now if you like and you want to change up the recipe just a little, V8 juice also makes a great addition to this chili. So after we have the tomato juice in there, we are going to add in 29 ounces of tomato puree. It's sold in your grocery store. It's next to the stewed tomatoes and the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce can be used. So again, 2 cans of 15 ounces of the tomato sauce or tomato puree, your choice. What goes in next? The beans. So Wendys does put beans in their chili. They never talked to anyone from Texas and realized that they shouldn't put beans in their chili. 1 can of red kidney beans goes in there and 1 can of pinto beans. Now these are both 15-ounce cans of beans. And so I just drain them. They're already pre-cooked. So what goes in next? The veggies. So we've got lots of great veggies going in here. 1.5 cups of chopped white onions. I'm also gonna add in a 1/2 cup of chopped celery. That really gives the chili a nice flavor. And after the celery goes in 1/4 cup of bell pepper. And that concludes all the veggies. Now next comes the spices. So we got lots of spices in here. We have 1/4 cup of chili powder. Now make sure it's chili powder. Then we also have 1 teaspoon of cumin. Now if you're me, I like to add just a little bit more cumin, but I think to make it copycat style, you don't. Then you're going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Make sure that's garlic powder and not garlic salt. We're going to add salt separately. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps cut the acidity of the tomato. And then I'm going to add in just a touch of cayenne pepper. I don't think Wendys chili is super hot. Now if you personally like chili that's hot, add in more cayenne pepper. I'm only adding in 1/8 of a teaspoon. But you know what, if you like more, just drive that up to where you think you're going to be comfortable with it. You know, chipotle powder would also go great in here, but again, I'm trying to make it copycat style. Now most of the components in this chili are already cooked. We really only need to cook the veggies. So I have a 6-quart Instant Pot here. If you have an 8-quart Instant Pot, go ahead and make the recipe the same way. So I'm just going to give everything a quick stir. I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm gonna cook this chili manually only for like 6 minutes. All the veggies, the only thing needs to cook now are the veggies, and they really only take about 4 minutes, but we're giving it 2 additional minutes just for good measure. Now when it's done, I went ahead and performed a quick release on this. You don't need to wait for the natural release. And then just simply go ahead and spoon up some of this delicious chili. You can serve this chili with anything you like. Cheese, a little bit of sour cream, some green onions on top. There you go. And there you go, there's the Wendys chili. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Drop me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching.